Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very special guest here with me. I have my 15-year-old son, Spencer.
Hi guys.
So Spency, what is this video all about today?
So I'm just making a card for my girlfriend. Yeah.
And why are you making her this amazing card?
Because I care about her a lot.
And what kind of card is it?
It's a Valentine's Day card.
Oh, okay. Well, that's really sweet of you.
Yeah.
Do you think she'll like it?
I hope so. I mean,
how could she not, though, with that really cute paper you chose?
Yeah.
I mean, those hearts are pretty adorable.
Mm-hmm.
So, what are you doing at this part?
So I'm trying to attach the string. I put it, like, in the inside flap. That way it didn't, like, completely close the card shut. So now I'm, like, trying to tie it around. That way it's, like, a nice little detail for the card. And now I have, like, a little heart decal that I'm gonna place there in a second.
You're very proud of yourself so
I am
far.
very proud of myself. I've never done this before, but it looks like I'm doing a good job. So.
Yeah, you're doing a very good job. So what kind of supplies are you working with? Where'd you get all those from?
From your office?
Yeah, did I make you...
gave me whatever.
Yeah, I made you like a little like crafty kit, right?
Yeah.
To work with.
Yeah.
And you're just going with it. I love it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just using the materials it gave me, and trying to be as resourceful as possible.
Yeah, this heart thing's pretty cool.
Yeah, just...
I love this part. You guys, look what he does. It's so ridiculous.
Well, I gotta make sure it goes on right.
Oh, I was editing this and I was laughing so hard. It was just like the cutest thing ever.
Yeah.
She's gonna love it.
I hope so.
Oh, I'm sure she will. I know if, like, a boy had made me a handmade card when I was 15, I would have died from the cuteness.
Yeah.
So what are you doing right here?
So, I didn't want to completely, like, glue everything on, so I thought it'd be kind of cool with, like, a little paper clip thing, and just, like, attach some stuff with the paper clip. I thought it would, like, be a nice little detail. And now I'm gluing something inside.
You're being very, I don't know, you're not using a lot of tape, which I appreciate. You're being very resourceful.
You taught me that. Because I would go through all your tape and you'd be mad at me like, oh, it's so expensive.
Yeah, they can get pricey if you bust through them real quick. So what is this situation going on right here?
So I'm trying to figure out a stamp. I feel like the front of the card could use a stamp, and so I choose the Hello Beautiful stamp.
Because your girlfriend is very beautiful.
She is very beautiful. I don't even know how I got with her, so.
Well, because you're a sweetheart. Because you do things like this, and girls appreciate that.
Whatever.
Alright, so what are you doing here?
So I'm gonna stamp it on. I gotta make sure it goes on right. Yeah. And at about this time, I'm gonna take it off. And
you're really pressing hard, though.
It's not gonna work. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
so
not
this is
good.
the second time. I'm
I'm
stamping it down real good this time, and it's still kind of wonky. Man. I know. So for the third and last time I do this, I gotta make sure it goes on right.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so I take it off. It's still
kind of good.
Yeah, it's good enough.
Good enough.
Good enough.
Yeah. I did have to go back and help you fix it just a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was my fault, you guys. I didn't give him the stays-on ink, which would stay, like, and dry on top of the washi. I didn't know he was going to try to stamp on top of washi tape. Alright, so what's going on here? You're making a mess of my little block thing.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just, like, adding more stamps.
Yeah.
Because I kind of like the stamps. I thought they'd be kind of cool.
Oh, you like stamping?
Yeah, I mean...
Yeah, when it goes right. You like it?
Shut up.
I love
It's
you.
a good space filler.
Yeah, it is. You can add fun details.
Yeah.
Those hearts are really cute.
Yeah,
like
I
those
thought
hearts.
so.
Alright, so what's going on here? Stamping.
I'm stamping.
Oh, you got a stamp there.
Yeah.
You marked it.
Yeah, I saw that and it's like,
Oh, that's a good spot for a stamp.
Yeah, no, my hands are kind of dirty. And I'm still touching the card, which probably isn't a good idea, but, you know, I tried.
So, what's going on here, bro?
So, the little thing that I taped on earlier says, I love you more than, and then it gives you, like, that little space filler, and so I thought I'd say food. I love you more than food.
Which is saying a lot, right?
It's saying very much.
Yeah. Teenage boy, you guys. They love their food and their treats and their cookies. Yes. Okay, so is that your card?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give Spency a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Oh, I love this part. Do 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 do.
Okay, Spence,